He is going to double his efforts as far as the Kano development is concerned, both economically, socially, and what have you. Security-wise, he is very much concerned, and I'm sure even the head of the security, they can testify to that in these last 6 months, what he has done to the security of Kano, I think cannot be overemphasized. So we are grateful to God at last for giving us the victory.
Expectation good from my favorable governor, the executive governor of Kano State.
The critical area that we wanted to government to focus on is education.
I wish him to continue all his good works like hospital and school.
Supreme Court has done the best they could to save not only Nigerian democracy but also judiciary as well as also the north and the country from imminent conflict and insecurity. I mean, the Supreme Court has started the mandate of the people of Kano. It is now time for governance. So I really want to first request and urge the opposition to understand and to accept this in good faith, and also to align themselves with the ruling government so that they can give the best of the contribution they could so that we can move Kano forward.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.